If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Compass Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath protection, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocje.com, stock number 912098.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.